to Pineapple Coding. In today's video, we're going to be making a very easy 3D maze. Now you may be thinking, wow, that's going to be really hard. Well, not if you watch this tutorial. First, delete Scratchcat. Bye. Create a new sprite and call it map. This is gonna be our maze. So just draw your own maze, really. You can use any color you want because the pen is gonna be what actually draws it. So, then how about, and then how about a giant, how about some circles right here, this thing, and this thing, and then just, yeah. You can do anything you like on your map. And then, let's start coding. When green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. Then let's make a variable called ghost. Set ghost to 100. Then set ghost effect to ghost. Ghost effect to ghost. This is all you need for the map. And as you can see, it becomes invisible. Now, let's make our next sprite. Zoom in very hard and make a little dot. Center it. Well, actually, there. And name it player. Go to code, and when green flag clicked, now let's make another variable called speed. Set speed to 1.5. Then motion point in direction -30. Then this go-to block can be anything you want. So I'll just put it right. I'll put mine right here. That's where the player will spawn. Then set ghost effect to ghost. Then forever broadcast sentence. Then when green flag clicked, forever, then put in 4 if then blocks. Then you can put in these blocks in them and do W S inside of the W, go to My Blocks and make a block called Move Input Move Speed. Run without screen refresh. Then in W, we're going to say move and then speed. Then in S, we're going to do move speed times -1. So put in speed in there. And this will be the opposite of speed. So it will go backwards. Then in A, go to motion. And in D, we're gonna do turn 5 degrees. And in A, we're gonna do turn 5 degrees the other direction. Then for define move speed, we're going to move speed steps. Then if touching map, then move speed, this one, times -1 steps. And this still does nothing. So that's where our next sprite comes in. Let's make a sprite called sentence. Zoom in even more than we did for the player. Get out your brush and make it very small, like 1. There. This is going to be sentence. So 1 by 1 pixel. There. Name it sentence. Go to code and do when green flag clicked, set ghost effect to ghost. Then when I receive sentence, make a new block and just call it sentence. Sorry, I'm spelling these wrong. Run without screen refresh. I receive sense. Then broadcast draw. Then on define sense, make a list called distance. And defining sense, we're gonna delete all of distance. And then make a new variable called distance. And set distance to 0. Then make another variable called angle offset. And set angle offset to -48. Then repeat. We're going to repeat 96 times. And set distance to 0. Then go to player. And then point in direction. Direction of player, so we're going to do player, direction of player, plus angle offset. There. Then we're going to repeat until, and we're going to repeat until, put an OR block in there, and do touching map, or distance. This distance is bigger than 79. Then, in that thing, I'm going to change distance by 1, and then move 1 steps. And then we're going to put it outside of the repeat until. Add distance to distance. Then change angle offset by 1. Also hide all these variables. Just saying. And it still does absolutely nothing. Yay. Okay, for a final one, we actually don't need to draw anything. Hooray! And in this one, we're only gonna do, when I receive draw, make a block called draw, run without screen refresh. When I receive draw, define draw. In define draw, we're going to go to x negative 237 and y 180. And then get pen, and we're going to set pen size to 6. And then set pen color to anything you'd like, but I'm just gonna do black. Actually, a nice gray color would be nice. There. And then erase all, pen up, and then create a new variable called I'm sorry, I spelled that wrong. You know what? Just name it lines. And then hide it. And then we're going to set lines to 1. And then repeat length of distance. So length of distance. And we're going to set pen brightness to 30 plus 30 plus item lines of distance times 0.5. There. Then, next we are going to do set y to get out a divided block and put in, how about 1,200 and divide it by item lines of distance, and then put it in there, and then we're going to pen down, and then we're going to do another set y, to copy this one, and just make it negative, and boom. Then we're going to do pen up, change x by 5, change lines by 1, and there we have a fully working map. But to get the ground, which is actually really simple, go to backdrops and just get a nice gray color, put it at the bottom, extend it up a bit, and then get a nice blue color, like this, put it up in the sky, and as you can see, we have our fully working 3D maze. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.